Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how does category grouping and sorting works in the chart in the dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. To see how does the category grouping and sorting works in a chart widget, we will click on the chart component in the widget panel. Dataset I'll be selecting as sales.ds here. Category axis I'll be keeping country. Value column I'll be keeping as extended price, and aggregation I'll select as sum here. Once I do that, I'll click on save and exit, and you'll see that we have created the chart widget in the dashboard like this. Now I'll go to the edit option of this chart widget, and you'll see on the right side of the category axis is the grouping and sorting option. So I'll click on this grouping and sorting. I will check the grouping option. In the type, I will select string. Group by, I'll select as substring. Sort type, I'll keep as ascending. And sort by column will be country by default. And the expression will also be this by default. So I'll click on the check option now. And I'll click on save and exit. And you'll see that the column has appeared in the ascending order since we had selected the ascending option in the sort type. And you can see that the first three letters of the countries have appeared like this. That is because of the selection of the substring in the grouping and sorting. So now we'll see the next scenario. Now in the next scenario, what we'll do is in the category axis, instead of country, I'll be selecting order date. And then I'll be going to the grouping and sorting again. And this time I'll select grouping. And here in type, I will select date time. And group by, I will select the format as dd/mm/yy, and sort type I'll again select as ascending. Sort by column will be order date by default, and the expression will be this by default. So now I will click on this check option, and value column, instead of extended price, I'll keep as order number, and I'll click on save and exit. So you'll see that the column here in the chart has appeared in the ascending order like this, and you can also see the dates appearing here. So you'll be able to see the dates on the category axis. Since in the category axis we have selected the order date, and we have applied grouping on this order date in the category axis. Now moving on to the third scenario, we'll again go to the edit option. And here now in category axis, I will again click country, and the value column I'll keep as quantity ordered. And I will go to this grouping and sorting option again on the right side of the category axis. And I will click on sorting. And the sort type I'll keep as ascending, and sort by column I'll keep as country. So here you can see that we have only applied sorting. We have not applied grouping. Okay. And sort type I have selected ascending, and sort by column is country, and I'll click on this check option, and I'll click on save and exit. So here you can see that the column in the chart is appearing in the ascending order since we have selected the ascending option in the sort type option of sorting in the category axis, and the countries are appearing on the category axis like this. And we have not applied any grouping, only sorting has been applied in this case. So this is how we can group and sort the category in the chart widget in the dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.